Your Peterbilt new medium-duty truck will require basic maintenance to ensure uptime and longevity of the vehicle. These simple tasks can be done without the help of a licensed professional. The hood is secured by 2 external latches. To open, pull the latch up and towards the hood. Lift the latching mechanism out of its housing. Then you can carefully tilt the hood forward. The anti-blowdown lock cylinders make certain the hood stays up while accessing the engine. Checking engine oil is vital to the performance and lifespan of your vehicle. Take the dipstick out and wipe it with a clean rag. Then reinsert the dipstick and check that the oil level is between the low and the high marks. Inspect the vehicle's coolant surge tank for proper coolant level. Add coolant if the level in the tank is below the line marked min. Examine the power steering fluid reservoir to confirm it is above the minimum indicator level. Check all belts for any wear or corrosion. Check for signs of wear on your windshield wipers periodically and check the washer fluid reservoir daily. Other frequent checks that should be made are checking the condition of the battery cables, hood latch, brake lines and hoses, and steering components. Check for chafing, rubbing, or corrosion and make sure all clamps and straps needed to hold this equipment in place are present and in working order. To close the hood, carefully lower back into place and reconnect the latches. Check all steps and grab handles for debris and stability. To check the battery, remove the battery cover for access. Check for any corrosion or damages to the batteries and alternator cables. Check the air system tanks for moisture. To eject moisture from the air system tanks, either twist the valve or pull the line that's connected to the moisture ejection valve until the air comes out free of water. Check frame-mounted fuel and DEF tanks for leaks and damage. Make sure that none of the exterior lights have any cracks or blockages. Check wheel mounts and retighten if necessary. Check suspension components for loose or missing fasteners. Check for damage to springs or other suspension parts such as cracks, gouges, distortions, bulges, or chafing. Check all service and parking brakes and make sure they're in working order. Check all brake lines for damage and corrosion. Check all trailer connections and make sure the lines are secure and are stored properly. Be sure to keep your vehicle clean to protect the driver's view while driving, and so they are able to visibly detect any leaks or obstructions on the vehicle. Keep the cab clean and free of loose items. Check all components inside the cab for damage and correct functionality. Check the seatbelt for any wear or rips. Check and adjust mirrors if necessary. And make sure the horn is in working order. To check all lights, turn the ignition key to the on position. Perform an exterior lighting self-test to check the operation of exterior lights. The tire pressure monitoring system will also activate, highlighting each tire, displaying the pressures on a color-coded display. Just by carrying out these simple tasks, your new medium duty will perform to last.